How to log in Telegram on iPhone. So if you want to log into the Telegram app on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you found this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to log in Telegram, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Telegram app. Then this is what you're going to see. So you can just swipe fast or start messaging. Then here you'll be prompted to type in your phone number. If this is not your exact country, make sure you change this to your country. Then search your country from the list and then type in your phone number. So if your country code is not correct, they meant to change your country, then this is going to automate the country code. Then go ahead and type in your Telegram number, then click on continue. Click on continue again if the Telegram number is correct. Then here you'll be prompted to type in your Telegram password. So go ahead and type in your Telegram password if you already set a password for your Telegram account. Otherwise, click on continue. Now once you type in the password, go ahead and click on continue. Then you should see your Telegram account opened and then you're good to go. So that is basically how to log in Telegram on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.